Uh, okay, this is a good question. Not very lengthy, but it requires a particular knowledge. Once again, a question that cannot be done by any shortcut. It requires a proper understanding of the concept of quadratic equations. So, if you see two numbers 12 and 13, and there is a root in between for a quadratic equation, which means either the curve is going like this or the curve is going like this. So basically your f of, so this is your f of minus 12 and this is your f of minus 13. Similarly, this is your f of minus 12 and this is your f of minus 13. Whichever way it is, the product of f of minus 12, you can see this is positive, but here it is negative. Here this is negative and this is positive. So the product of f of minus 12 into f of minus 13 will always be less than 0. So that's the funda. Okay, the funda is if there's a root between two numbers, then the product of f of a, which is the first number, and f of b, which is the second number, will always be less than 0. Hence, substitute f of 12 or rather f of minus 12. So this becomes 144 plus 18 into minus 12 minus k. So 18 into 12 is 180 plus 18 twos are 36. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 216, 144 minus 216. So this is 4562, 7, so minus 72. So minus 72 minus k. This is the first part. F of minus 13. So 13 square is 169 plus 18 into minus 13 minus k. So how much will this be? This will be 169 into 18 into 13. 18 tens are 180. 18 threes are 54. So 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 minus 234. So minus 234 minus k. So minus 234 and 169. 9. So there's 5, 6. So 65 minus 65. So this is minus 65 minus k. Again, less than 0. So you can take out the negatives and the negatives. So negative to negative becomes positive on the left hand side itself. So basically you have k plus 72 and k plus 65 less than 0. So it's a quadratic equation. Basically you have the roots as minus 72 and minus 65, cross, tick and cross. So it is minus 72 to minus 65 not included. Hence that is your answer, option C. Again, very fundamental. You can't solve this without knowing the entire funda of f of x.